Hey guys, I'll be showing you guys how to master a song using FL Studio, and the software we're gonna use is actually Izotope 4. Now guys, this is super easy, but trust me, it's gonna give you guys big results, and you guys will be able to upload your songs on social media, YouTube, with confidence. So here we go. Let's actually listen to the beat unmastered and then the beat mastered. So let me just remove all my plugins. So guys, we're gonna be using Izotope, and this is one preset that's gonna make all the difference. Guys, come with me on this. So the beat without Izotope. Well guys, if you can hear, the beat is balanced, but as you can tell, it lacks volume. It has to compete with other songs out there on YouTube, on Spotify, for you to be able to trend. So how are we gonna do this? Actually, what we're gonna use, guys, is Isotope, and this is one preset that is gonna change your life. Let's go. So let's listen to the beat with the preset. Now, guys, look at us, how open the beat became. Look at how the drums are feeling, guys. Focus on the drums and the depth and width of the beat. So with Isotope and Fruity Limiter. Day and night, guys. Come on, man. Guys, day and night. The drums feel so much bigger. They hit harder. The sample is open. You can clearly listen to it. No instrument obstructing none. So guys, this is the sauce. Now come on. Come with me. Come with me. So guys, the preset is called mid-range details. And reason why we're actually using mid-range details is because in most of the times when you're making a beat, you lack that mid-range, and mid-range actually makes music move. You need to feel the mid-range on your chest. Lows and highs are good, but you need your mids. That's the standard. That's basically a cement for the artist to sit at. So I like mixing on mid-range detail. So basically, you click on it, and since we like loudness in our previous mix, so we're just gonna turn up until we are comfortable with the volume. So let's go, guys. So guys, we're gonna do this until we start hearing distortion, and then we're gonna back it off, because we don't want to distort our signal. We don't want to distort our beat. Right? Let's go. Can hear some distortion. Right about here. So guys, there is way about you want to set your volumes to compete with other songs. Let's go. So next thing I like to do is actually type. It actually adds a noise on your beat, not like sort of a digital noise. It fills up all those empty gaps. Instead of having those dull moments in your songs, it just adds a type of noise that is pleasing to the ears. So that's it. What I also like to do is learn my cross curves, is learn my bend. So this is a feature on it's a feature on Izotope whereby you can learn which cross bend your chain is supposed to play or your signal is supposed to flow. So I don't have any specifics, so I'll just learn and Izotope is gonna do the magic for me. Okay guys, and that's basically it. Let's see at the before and after. Huge difference guys, huge difference, huge difference. So now I'm not really doing much on limiter. I actually just want to cut those final peaks because not every limiter is actually perfect. So I feel like some peaks are still escaping from Izotope, and so I'm gonna use the default preset on FL Studio limiter, just basically to make sure none or nothing passes above 0 dB, nothing crosses 0 dB. So yeah guys, and there you go. I'm sure this will bring major changes in your productions and you will be able to actually upload your beats with more confidence. Now guys, please subscribe to this channel, like the channel, comment on the channel, tell me how I can help you guys. Let's grow together guys, help this channel grow, and thank you so much. Asante sana.